Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this video. This is a tutorial on Excel Vlookup. In this video, we're going to look at two key functions of Vlookup. And by the end of the video, you should be an expert in Vlookup. Vlookup is a very powerful function in Excel. You can use Vlookup to extract data from a data set, from a table. You can also use Vlookup to match information from two tables or to merge data from two tables. In this example, we have a sample employee data. Assuming you're working for HR or you're working HR department and you want to find employee name, role, and salary given their employee IDs, and you have a huge data set of over 10,000, over 1,000 employees. You cannot scroll them one by one. So very quickly, this is how you go about it to exact or extract the information that you're looking for. We're going to sample 3 employee IDs. Take, for example, employee ID number 3, copy paste, copy another sample, and the last one for demonstration purposes. So to establish their names, we're going to use Vlookup, and this is the syntax for Vlookup. Say is equals, that's how you begin formulas within Excel. Vlookup can be small caps or can be lowercase or uppercase, doesn't matter. Then if you look at this Excel, it gives you basically the syntax. Highlight gives you the formula of what you need to input. The lookup value is what we are looking for. This is the data we want to look up for. And the data we want to look up for is this. We put a comma. We are referencing the cell ID because the content of the cell can change, so we will not have to keep changing. So when we reference the cell ID, which is, or the cell number, which is B18, even if the contents of B18 change, we will not have to modify the formula. Then the table array is within the table within which we are looking for this information. So the table we are looking for this information is this table. You can select it all the way to this. Then you put a comma. Then the next item is column index number. What column index number means is the number, the column number within which the information we are looking for is located. The information we are looking for is the name. This is the information we are looking for this particular ID. And therefore, the column number or the column index number for the name is 1, 2. So it's under in column number 2 within the table array. Then the last item, which is called the range lookup, takes 2 parameters. It can either be a true or a false. If you want to match the exact value, use false, in which case we are using right now, and then you end with a parenthesis. If you want to match the closest value, then use true. That is the formula, and then you enter. So ID, employee ID, this number ODL3 gives you the name Mercy, and if you cross-check, that is accurate. So you're gonna copy this formula to the next other rows, so that duplicate the formulas to the other rows, so that you can obtain the information or the names of the other employees. Simple. So the next thing is you do the same thing to obtain the roles of these employees. So to do so, you still use Vlookup, which is equal to Vlookup, which is getting quite easy right now. Vlookup. Open the parenthesis. Again, the lookup value we are looking for, which is this. Put a comma. Then within this table array, then we put a comma again. Column index number. This time round, we are looking for the role. The column index number, or the column number within which the value we are looking for, which is role, is number 1, 2, 3. It's column 3. So then a comma, because we want to match the exact value, you say false. And then you close parenthesis and enter. That is a software engineer. Again, very fast, you copy the same formula to the other cells to obtain the information. Lastly, we want to obtain the salaries of these particular 3 employees. So again, we say VLOOKUP. Then open parentheses. This time round, we can do it very fast. This is the lookup value, comma, the table array, comma, the column index number this time round for salary is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's on column number 5, and comma, and we want to match the exact value. So we put a false and we get the value. So if you look at this, we have the salary. So very quickly, we've been able to extract the information about the employee name, the role, and the salary using the lookup. The next item is to match 2 tables. To match 2 tables, or to extract information from 2 tables and combine it into one. This time round, we want to add the years of service. Assume we want to establish the years of service from an employee who is eligible for long service award. To do so, we look for is equal to VLOOKUP into brackets. What are we looking for? We are looking for this. What's the difference now here is the reference table array. This time around, we are looking within this table array, which is located within table 2. Then comma, okay, the column index within which information we are looking for is column 1, 2, okay, and then false because we want to match exact, and we close parentheses, and we know 36, and we scroll down here. Sorry, this is not necessary, just ignore that. So here we know that we have matched 2 tables, table 1 and table 2. We've gotten information from table 2, we have matched it with information from table 1, and now we can establish even the years of service for Mercy, which is 6, accurate, based on ID, for Stella, which is 5, based on ID, and finally for Neymar is 2, based on CD. So ladies and gentlemen, that is how you use VLOOKUP. And with that, you master VLOOKUP. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to like the video, if you feel that it's useful to you, like it, subscribe for more videos of this nature. Thank you. See you later.